Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create custom gems in Gemini. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press enter. Once you're inside Gemini, look at the left-hand menu. Find and click on the Explore Gems option. This section displays available gems and allows you to create new ones. Next, click on New Gem to start the creation process. A setup panel will appear where you can configure your custom gem. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your gem. This helps you organize and identify it later, especially if you create multiple gems. Then, add instructions that define how the AI should behave. Keep them specific and concise to ensure accurate responses. After completing the setup, click the Save button. Your custom gem is now ready to use and can improve your workflow efficiency. So that's basically how you can create custom gems in Gemini. That's it for this video. Thanks.